Today I'm showing you how to make easy homemade blueberry Pop Tarts with a flaky puff pastry crust and a luscious blueberry filling. They're perfect for breakfast or a sweet snack. Let's get started. First up, we need to prepare our blueberry filling. In a saucepan, I combine some frozen blueberries, granulated sugar, cornstarch, lemon juice, and vanilla extract. Cook this over medium heat, stirring frequently until the mixture thickens and the blueberries are soft and broken down. You can even smash a few blueberries to help thicken the mixture. This will take about 5 to 7 minutes. Once it's ready, remove it from the heat and let it cool to room temperature. Now let's get our puff pastry ready. On a lightly floured surface, use a nonstick rolling pin to roll out each sheet of puff pastry to smooth out the seams and make them slightly thinner. Using frozen puff pastry sheets makes this recipe a breeze. No need to make dough from scratch. You can have these Pop-Tarts ready in under an hour. Cut each sheet into 8 equal rectangles. Now I have to admit my cuts were a bit wonky, but I made sure to cut the second sheet of puff pastry dough wonky too, so they would match up. All right, let's assemble our Pop-Tarts. Place half of the rectangles on a prepared baking sheet. Then spoon about 1 to 2 tablespoons of that delicious blueberry filling onto the center of each rectangle, leaving a small border around the edges. Brush the edges with a bit of egg wash to help them seal. Now place the remaining rectangles on top of the filled ones and press the edges with a fork to seal. Don't forget to prick the tops with a fork to allow any steam to escape. Finally, brush the tops with the remaining beaten egg. Bake the Pop-Tarts in a preheated oven at 375 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are golden brown and puffed up. Remove them from the oven and let them cool slightly on a wire rack. While they're cooling, let's prepare the glaze. In a small bowl, whisk together powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract until smooth. The glaze should be thick but pourable. Drizzle the glaze all over the cool Pop-Tarts. You could even add sprinkles at this point if you like. Let the glaze set for a few minutes before serving. And there you have it, easy blueberry Pop-Tarts. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video and check the description box for the full recipe. Subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.